Item 1. Very pleasure, Lordship. One of the petitioner was arrested for my lord 9 February, my lord. And in this case, my lord, earlier already charge sheet was submitted against the other two accused persons. And in supplementary charge sheet, my lord, filed against him, my lord. And since then, he
Here. Administrator so-and-so. Bail application under section Iman in connection with special NDPS case number. Call for the trial court records. List again on.
Lordship, the special DPS case.
May 15, Lordship.
Huh?
May 15.
15th of May,
No, it will be short, Lordship. It is from Shivsagar. 21, Lordship.
21st of May.
But special judge, my lord, Shivsagar.
Huh?
Yes,
That will liquid iba ha hegi. Tapa copy kori diba mo gaita na.
I am good.
Who's in item 2?
May I please, your lord? In this case, my lord, the petitioner was originally arrested on my lord in
We'll have the TCR.
my lord.
TCR.
My lord, already, my lord, similarly situated, my lord, already bail application has been rejected by your lordships.
Huh.
Thereafter, my lord, at the time of rejection, my lord, two petitioners were there, my lord. On the same day, they were arrested, my lord, shown arrested, my lord. And out of two petitioners, my lord, one has been granted, my lord. In second application, my lord, I have that and this order, my lord.
Who has granted bail? Huh?
Kumud Boro was granted bail, my lord. And at the first, my lord, the present petitioner along with that Kumud Boro, my lord, joint petition, my lord. And your lordships was pleased to
Had rejected both.
Yes, yes, my lord.
Second application
Second
I allowed
application,
Kumud Boro.
allowed, my lord.
Anyway, we'll call for the TCR. Let us see what is the allegation against you also we have to see. You are showing shown arrest.
Yes, my lord.
Shown arrest is your
Yes,
ground.
my lord.
Whether in your case they had given any reason or not, that we have to see.
My lord, already that is my lord.
Huh?
My lord.
Are they shown arrested on the same day by the same
day,
order?
my lord. Same order, my lord.
Same day, same order.
My lord, kindly see the order, my lord.
Where is that order?
Yes, my lord. Order is page, my lord, 66, my lord. Page 66.
But unless the PP verifies the same or we call for the
Same.
TCR, would it be this thing?
Kindly see the order,
It will
my
be
lord.
unfair on the.
66, my lord. Page 66.
It will be unfair on the this thing. Is it not? And NDPS, unless I give him an opportunity. Hmm? Where is it said that there are two people shown arrested?
Lord, at page, my lord.
No, it is not
Page
said.
26, my lord. Page 26. Shown arrested, my lord.
In that case, already Special Judge Baksa had allowed the application for the other person. What about for you? Have you seen paragraph 5? Please see.
Paragraph 5 of my lord.
At page 67. Have you been granted bail in the other case, sir?
My lord, at page 67.
There are
my
two
lord.
cases against you.
Yes, my lord.
True?
Yes, my lord. In that case also, we have got bail, my lord.
Where?
My lord.
Where is that order?
That is.
Hmm?
That order, my lord.
See, your index says, where is that index? Where is your index? When will you granted bail?
On 4/11/2024, my lord.
4/11/2024, right?
That order, my lord.
4.
Yes, my lord.
Just a minute.
CR, my lord. Footnote NX, my lord.
Just a minute. Huh? See the way the order is passed? Have you seen the order?
No.
It appears that the accused is a habitual offender. Considering the submission, bail amount is reduced.
Official offender, it is reduced.
Hmm?
But my lord, against my lord,
So it is better to be a habitual offender.
Lord.
Because you have to get so many bails now, how you can produce so many bailers? Huh, sir? Yes.
the notice has been, my lord, issued, my lord.
Huh?
That
And where is that shown arrest order? Where is that shown arrest order?
shown
By
arrest
which you
order,
were shown
at
arrest?
Page, my lord. 26, my lord.
Page
26.
26. From Baksa, when can the records come? This person so and so.
Page 26, my lord, the first portion, my lord. IO SI Nehru Padri has appeared today with an application stating.
Just a minute.
Moreover, my lord, in the, you lost
Fixed on
first
18
order,
lakhs.
my lord, that in that order, my lord, in that order, you lost this first order on, my lord, 22/4/26, my lord, granting bail. In that order, my lord, it appears, my lord, no notice has been served, my lord, to the petitioner, my lord. No notice, my lord, that is para 8, my lord.
Yes, but when can you verify the orders?
On 18, Lord.
See this order of 4/11/2024 granting him bail. This order by which he was shown arrested. If you have page 26, the IO has given him the application. He has issued a production warrant on that day, and he has shown him arrested on that day itself. Not even on production. Where is that? Where is that? They have been produced before me today. Huh? If you read page 26 and 27, you will see it was not their date of production. So you can have your, I think the TCR has to be called for because whether it was their date of production or not. When this order was passed 86/2024, whether it was a day of their production with the other case or not, we don't know.
Lord, we have to call, Lord.
21st,
Lord.
Musalpur 21st.
Lord.
Heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petition. Also heard the learned APP, the learned counsel for the petitioner has placed reliance on the order dated 22/4/2026, passing bail application number 852 of 2026 to impress that the petitioner is a co-accused along with the petitioner in the bail application 852 of 2026 and both the cases are similarly situated, full stop. Call for the trial court records. Learned APP shall have their, have his instructions on the submissions made. একদম প্রথমতে লিখিব দেই, this is an application under it লিখিব না. Call for the trial court records. List again on 21st. Yes.
So in this case, my lord, the petitioner is my lord, senior citizen, my lord, 65 years. Lord. My lord, before going, my lord, through the FIR, kindly see lordship at least 20 laws.
It's 20.
Lordship. That
Yes,
is
sir.
a title suit lordship. That is pending title suit, my lord. The, between the parties, my lord, herein, my lord, the
You are not a
dependent-
party?
Yes, Lordship, my lord, I am not the party. Lordship.
Ah, ठीक
My
है.
lord, the defendant number 3 is the informant, Lordship. My lord,
Defendant
and,
number 3 is the
plaintiff, my lord,
informant.
Plaintiff son, my lord, is two sons, Lordship, accused number 1 and 6, Lordship. Now, my lord, this is a, my lord, title suit for a declaration of right title. interest,
Accused
and
are sons of
possession.
this Umar Ali.
No, sorry, Lord.
Accused is a son of?
No, accused, the petitioner is not related, Lordship. My
Oh,
lord,
oh,
not
okay.
party, Lordship.
Ah,
Accused number 1 and 6 are sons of the plaintiff, Lordship. The informant is the, my lord, defendant number 3. My lord, in that plot of land, my lord, the dependents people, my lord, came for, my lord, the construction of house, Lordship. Quarrel was there, Lordship. And that, my lord, there was a quarrel, my lord, and all, my lord, the father of the, my lord, defendant number 3, Lordship. He was a 70 years person, Lordship. He had come, like, my lord, there should be some, my lord, altercation, some injury
Push
might
and
be
pull.
there, Lordship. Now, kindly see the FIR, my lord, at page 10, Lordship. My lord, may I read, Lordship? With due respect, I beg to state that on 5/3/2026, at around 12 AM, the below mentioned accused persons armed with weapons in a vehicle bearing registration number AS 13 AC 8062 collectively trespassed our land and forcibly uprooted the brinjal plants from the field. Looking which we resisted, for which the accused persons physically repeatedly beat my father, Zamir Ali, wife Momtaz Begum, brother Mainuddin Ahmed, and nephew Moon Meraz with daws, dagger, iron rod, and sharp pointed weapons, and caused all of them grievous injuries in various parts of their persons. As the condition of my father Zamir Ali and wife Momtaz Begum was critical, police of Dalgaon police station were informed, for which the police rescued the injured persons and took them to Tharupetia Hospital, whereupon the doctor referred the injured to GMCH, but for better treatment, we admitted my father.
So why did you go when the land dispute was between
I
two
was
other
not
people?
there.
Why were you there?
There, Lordship.
Eh?
I was not there. My lord,
His name is there.
the quarrel
Okay.
was between the plaintiffs and my lord, the defendant's family, Lordship.
Huh.
The petitioner's third person, my lord, distantly related, Lord. Now, because of my lord, election time, my lord, some instigations were there, Lordship, from outside our Lordship at that moment.
And this photograph is of whom?
My lord, photograph, my lord, other side, my lord, plaintiff side, Lordship. Kindly, he was not implicated in the FIR, Lordship. Kindly see at page 26. This is the
What is his name?
his name is Shohid Ali, Lordship. Well, he is not, my lord, accused in.
he-
Cleverly, the FIR was written, my lord, 14 persons, my lord, were implicated, my lord. Out of, my lord, 2 persons are, my lord, from the plaintiff side, Lordship. And the cross case, my lord, the kindly see the cross FIR at page 27, Lordship.
Where is the original of the FIR?
It is there, Lordship.
Handwritten, huh?
27, Lordship.
Just a minute.
My lord, same time, Lordship. With due respect, I beg to state that on 5/3/2026 at around 12:03 AM, the below mentioned accused persons armed with daws, daggers, sticks, sharp objects, etc.
One person has died, sir.
One person died, Lordship.
Let us find out what the CD has to say.
No,
How
no.
urgently?
On 18 Lordship.
Huh?
18.
18?
Now, what I am submitting, Lordship, my lord, on the same day he was released, Lordship, from the Ames, my lord.
And on the same day he died.
My lord, my lord, went home.
He also
Lordship.
died.
Went home, Lordship. Then, my lord, he
Then-
was unwell, my lord, he was admitted.
Unwell from what, sir? Because of the beating?
My lord,
180.
A life is lost.
now, I was not there. My lord,
His
That
name
is
is
what,
there.
that is what we will see. Huh?
His name is there in the
Huh? We've identified you.
I may be,
Which
my
is
lord,
Lordship. Item
I may be protected. I'll.
case number 3,
My
Lord.
lord,
No, let us see.
senior citizen, Lord.
No, had it only been a case of non-fatal injuries,
Sir, dear Lordship, definitely.
definitely, huh? No, someone has died. We have to look into it.
My lord, 4 persons have been arrested, lordship. 4 persons have.
I will have their statements, whether they say
Yes,
you are
lordship.
there or not, will.
Arrested, my lord. Who have
Ah,
been-
those person statements will reflect something on your participation or your absence.
Well, in this,
If your
my lord,
names are absent,
in this petition, I cannot, my lord.
we will be
it's
so,
not that
we'll be
much.
so happy if your names are absent.
Only, my lord,
15.
as regards arrest, I have stated.
Today is
5 lordship,
5th.
5th,
It will come from where?
from lordship.
No, no. 18. Huh? No, মই 11 পৰা 15 মোৰ ইয়াত নাই, মই কহিমা পালো না।
Lordship, along with a PM report and injury
My
report
lord,
also.
PM report, my lord, injury
18.
report from
We assume it is, we assume the death is because of the
Lordship.
chaos. Let us just find out whether
where
his name
involvement is.
appears somewhere. That
Clause.
is all. 14 people beating up these 2 people, there is a cross FIR.
Lordship.
Someone who got his head broken has not been named as an accused.
Lordship.
So when 18th,
18 Lord.
18th, sir?
be protected, lordship. All kinds of-
It's a matter of 2 weeks.
I'll appear for lordship.
Had the death not been there, we would have definitely.
He, my lord, the injured, my lord, expired in the subsequent.
In the absence of a death, we tell them this is a private fight. Why do you want this man behind bars? Huh? Someone has died. It is against the state. Against the state. Yes.
Oh, my lord.
18th. Ekini uporokhini likhibo. Call for the case diary. 18th. Yes.
My lord, kindly see page 30, my lord.
Page 30.
Before my friend started, Lordship, this is a POCSO case.
Ah.
I have service report as service is completed,
Okay.
but they have not appeared, Lordship. So amicus curiae may be appointed, Lord, at first.
Hmm.
Amicus curiae may be appointed because
We'll appoint an
It has been
amicus
served.
today. Have it after some days. Who? Amicus is naam cook. Shruti Sharma Hazarika. Okay. Shruti Sharma Hazarika, the bottom down. Had Mr. So-and-so learned counsel appearing for the petitioner also had the learned APP. The learned counsel, the learned APP has submitted that the service of notice upon the informant is complete as per his instructions. However, none appears today. Accordingly, Ms. Shruti Sharma Hazarika is appointed as an amicus to defend the interests of the informant oblique victim. The counsel for the petitioner shall serve a copy upon the aforesaid amicus. Place this matter again on the
Day after tomorrow, my
day after tomorrow.
lord. 8th.
Okay, 7th, huh? 7th of May, 2026.
But I may,
Reflecting the name of so-and-so as amicus in the matter, huh?
I will be allowed to go to the records.
Fine.
Lordship, I may be allowed to take a fresh step
Why?
for
POCSO
POCSO
case,
matter.
Lord.
Why fresh step?
The steps has not been taken.
Because our client, our clerk actually forgot to take this.
You did not take steps.
Yes.
Steps not complete.
Mr. Your name
Edeka.
has prayed for an opportunity to take steps on the respondent number 2. Full stop. Mr. So-and-so, learned APP is present. Full stop. List the matter again on. On 15th of May, 2025.
Actually, 2 weeks
The
is needed.
petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 2 on or before 8th of May.
No.
2026. The scan copy of TCR call for has been received.
Public.
6.
Why?
Can it be taken after sometime? Can it be taken after sometime, ma'am?
Why?
I'm appearing after Mr. A. Ahmed, madam.
Huh?
Court number 13.
But here, Lordship, one FSL was called for of the thumb impression, but
Hmm.
that has not been received. It is there, Lordship.
Maybe true, but this man is languishing behind bars and your persons are not
Yes.
sending the FSL. Can it delay the proceeding? No.
Lordship,
We'll try to decide today.
Lordship.
If in the positive, if in the negative, we will await the FSL report.
Lord.
Yes.
I may be allowed to go through the records, my lord.
Huh?
I may be allowed to go through the records.
Itu record sabul di bottom.
I don't, sir.
It is my, that is the third bail application, my lord. and
Mm.
It is third time, my lord. Already two witnesses are examined, my lord, and today fixed for call for the LCR record, scan copy, my lord.
Scan
And
copy.
both two witnesses are stated that he is not involved in this case. I have crossed the witnesses, my lord, in the time.
Is that cartoon with this
One transfer.
delivery boy of
Transfer and another.
yes.
The Flipkart delivery boy, my lord. Already 211 days, he is completed behind the bar. And
Have you seen the
In the record, I have not seen that. It is that lordship in the Caesar list, his person name is also there. And in the, to be fair lordship, in the deposition of two witnesses, they had not stated that he is not involved or like that lordship. He just,
He stated
no,
that-
let me complete. They have come after some time. That only thing is there. But
They have come
but
after
They have
some-
identified. They have identified all three persons.
But just a minute, madam. See, he has started with to be fair.
Yeah, it's-
Let him be fair. Maybe that
Okay.
fairness will help you. So there is no statement saying that they saw it being recovered from him
No lordship.
or that he was present there before the recovery. That statement is not
It
there.
is there. All of them are there. But the PW1
Ah.
stated that he has come after some time. It is there, lordship. Lordship may look into that.
after-
It is there, lordship. Depositions is there.
He stated that
Wait, let me complete. But let me complete. Depositions are there, lordship.
Ah.
I have flag mark.
So it would
It can-
It is only the age factor which makes us look into it again and again. Have you seen the age
Lordship.
and the seasoning that he will have when he's inside? The cooking that he will have inside. He'll come out a cooked man. You have flag marked it.
Otherwise, it is earlier rejected, lordship. In depositions, it's stated there.
Hmm? Deposition, yes. Recovery is from the vehicle.
Vehicle, lordship. And there are.
Recovery is
vehicles.
from the Baleno car.
No, lordship.
The first sentence says,
Lordship.
I saw one magic goods carrying vehicle and one Baleno.
Mhm.
In the said magic vehicle, grocery items were there.
Mm.
In the Baleno car, there were 3 cartoons.
Lordship. And they were transferred from one vehicle to another, lordship.
He doesn't say so.
Lordship.
I have not seen anybody loading or unloading.
PW2 may also be looked into, lordship.
Hmm?
PW2 is also deal.
he is not present at the
Just
loading and unloading, my lord.
Huh?
It's come after receives the article, my lord, sometimes, my lord, 15 and 20 minutes later on, my lord, he is present in the place of occurrence because he waiting the boy for, he stated the Flipkart driver that he went to some neighbor of the place for his personal work, my lord. So yeah, I am waiting for the driver of the delivery boy. When he is not come the place, come the vehicle, my lord, I am return and find out him some distance, my lord. And accordingly, police arrest me. Lord. I am not involved in this incident. I have annexed the identity card, my lord. Annexer 1, my lord, he is the
Okay.
delivery.
Heard Miss Swinson and Council, you are allowing.
With my
But-
objection.
huh?
With my objection.
Oh, heavy objection.
37
Heavy objection.
37 is there, lordship.
Heard Miss Swinson and Council appearing for the petitioner also heard Mr. So-and-so, learned APP appearing in the matter.
And
Then
that
you
is
would
the
say,
intermediate quantity, my lord, because police recovered, my lord, as the cartoon, my lord.
This is
5.88 gram. And
your submission, it is intermediate quantity.
intermediate quantity, my lord,
Okay.
not for the commercial quantity. my
Ah,
lord.
and you are behind bars for how many days?
no lordship.
Like 200
There are
days, my lord.
294 bottles are there lordship and 100.
I can record her submission that
Okay,
it is an
Lordship.
intermediate quantity to which you have objected.
Lordship.
Okay.
294, but my lord,
How many days?
211, my lord.
211 days.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. Any other ground?
And he is the, my lord, only for the delivery boy of Flipkart, my lord. The witness are stated in cross-examination, my lord, that he is not present at the time of seize the article by the policeman. He is present the place of occurrence after sometimes when police sees the contraband, my lord. And codeine is contraband, my lord, to a 100 ml bottle, my lord, per mg 5 ml, my lord.
Forget
That
the
is
quantity, madam.
therapy substance, my lord. Another one is that, my lord, in pharmacy 2026.
You want us to go into all that weight details and everything here? It will hamper your trial if you reject it. Huh?
Yes,
It will hamper your trial if you reject it now.
my lord.
Huh? Don't do it.
At that time, my lord,
Huh? So you just stick to your submissions why you want a bail.
in
Keep it to that. Don't go for merits of the case.
23 years old.
Okay, 20?
23 years old.
23 years old. Yes.
He's the delivery of boy of Flipkart. He is not even his
Flipkart.
drugs player child. Previous, he has no record in the
No
offense.
previous record. Okay. Anything else? Heard Ms. So-and-so learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard the learned APP. Then you take from page 2. Huh? This is an application under section 483 BNSS 2023 praying for allowing the petitioner to go on bail in connection with NDPS case number 508 of 2025 under section 22C oblique 29 NDPS Act pending in the court of
Additional district and suspense. Metro man.
additional session judge Kamrup within bracket Metro Guwahati. This is your third bail application. Where is the orders passed in the earlier bail petitions, madam?
2026.
On earlier occasions, this court had rejected the bail prayer of the petitioner by order dated
12/2/2026.
passed in BA number
BA number, my lord, 236/26.
and there are two orders, na? Where is the other order? How many times it was rejected? Once or twice?
Twice, my lord.
And then you have given only one order.
It is not an exchange.
And by the order dated, just a minute. Just a minute. It was not rejected. Full stop, huh? What sentence they say earlier? Full stop. Prior to that, a bail application bearing 3926 of 2025 was withdrawn by the petitioner, praying for liberty to file fresh bail application before the learned trial court, comma, which liberty had been granted, full stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that after the rejection of the earlier bail petition, the trial has proceeded to some extent and two of the witnesses have been examined, comma, who have not attested the presence of the petitioner at the time of the time of the recovery of the contraband items. Full stop. She has therefore submitted that there is a doubt as to whether he could be convicted of the offences alleged against him. Full stop. She has further submitted that the petitioner has already suffered 211 days in custody since his initial arrest. Full stop. She has submitted that the petitioner is aged about 23 years and works as a delivery boy in a particular company. And on that day, he was delivering items. No, he was delivering items along with the driver of the vehicle when another car had been seized near where his car was parked, and he has been falsely implicated in the case. Full stop. She has submitted that, keeping in view the length of the detention and the age of the petitioner, the petitioner may be granted the privilege of bail. Full stop. The learned, next paragraph, the learned APP has submitted that the trial is at a very initial stage and there is no denial to the fact that the petitioner had been apprehended from the place of recovery of the alleged contraband.
Seizure list, in the seizure.
Huh?
In the seizure list, his name is.
And his name also reflects in the seizure list. Full stop. The learned counsel has, learned APP has submitted that releasing the petitioner at this stage may hamper or tamper with the
Section
trial.
37.
Huh?
Section 37 will be also there.
The learned counsel has submitted that the section 30, the provisions of section 37 of the NDPS Act would be attracted since the amount involved is of commercial quantity. Full stop. The aforesaid submission has been contested by the learned counsel for the petitioner, submitting that the recovery is one of an intermediate quantity as per law, and it is yet to be settled whether the amount recovered is of commercial quantity or not. Full stop. Having heard both the learned counsels, this court is of the opinion that keeping in view the age of the petitioner, comma, the number of days already spent in custody, comma, the stage of the trial, and the fact that there is no allegation that the petitioner is the petitioner is involved in any other case of similar nature, comma, this court is of the considered opinion that the petitioner can be granted the privilege of a bail at this stage. Accordingly, the petitioner shall be released on bail on furnishing a bond of rupees 50,000 with two sureties of the like amount. You want it more? 50,000 with two sureties of the like amount, comma, one of whom shall have landed property within the jurisdiction of the learned trial court. Full stop. The learned trial court shall be entitled to give such other conditions as may be deemed necessary, or to impose such other conditions as may be deemed necessary to ensure the participation of the petitioner in the further trial proceedings. Full stop. Bail application disposed of. Now, why the thumb impression is required? The father had denied his thumb impression, no? On the section
Father
48
denied
notice,
that-
huh?
That person is granted bail by your lordship. But my case was that the entire case was manipulated and therefore some documents has been also manipulated in the present case. Because of that, I paid. And apart from that, also if the 36 notice, if your lordship peruse at page 66.
The father, the witness is disputing his signature, something like that. His thumb impression. Yes. Tell us. A wider signature, Dilawa Begum is there.
Not regarding the present petitioner.
Huh?
That 48 notice is not regarding the present petitioner.
Then why do we need the
Because also in the seizure list also your lordship will find that date has been manipulated. And
why do we need the forensic report of thumb impression? Do we need it in this case?
Today I'm.
No, do we need it in this case or can we go ahead without it? That is what.
Lordship can go ahead.
Your name is?
Dilara Begum.
But Lordship, I want to pray something, Lordship.
Please.
Since I have read the order copy, Lordship, and the order sheet, it is there, the thumb impression. So I have not read, Lordship. On any other date, Lordship. It is because of that I have not completely looked into that.
To whom was this 47? Where is the 48?
48.
For Dilara Begum, where is the 48?
No, regarding Dilara Begum, 48 is complied with. Only 36 no, is not complied with in regarding Dilara. That page 66, your lordship will find that certified.
There is no signature of any independent person.
Page 66.
And is this 36 memo, where is that column where someone is supposed to sign? Huh?
Here no column is there. Father's name is there, lordship. Father's name is typed. As a husband's name is typed there in place of father's name.
Huh?
Witness column is not there, lordship, in the page 66.
Father's name, instead of father's name, there is a Jahangir Alam Chaudhary, wife of. Whom was it informed? Her arrest?
No. the
And who
arrest-
witnessed it?
No one name is not.
These
there,
two things will be vital
lordship.
if there is no independent witness.
Mhm,
Was she allowed to inform her
mhm,
family?
mhm.
36, there are three circumstances.
Witnesses has to be.
If the
independent,
witness is not of the family, then she has to inform the family.
lordship,
To whom?
lordship.
And another aspect, if my learned.
48 was complied with in this case.
48 is compliant.
48 compliant. That was served to her.
Then if 48
he
is
has been
complied,
informed,
if your
lordship.
family has been informed,
At the same time, it has
Then-
been given.
No, at the same time, that also your lordship will find that.
no,
they get,
singularly taken 36 may be bad.
lordship,
If it is, our order says that 36 gives you a reference time.
lordship,
Is it not?
lordship.
How many hours might have passed before the person has been arrested?
Yes, yes.
After the person is arrested. But if they've been immediately
No,
informed,
that part is also there.
47, 48,
Because,
then?
because this arrest was made at 3 p.m.
Hmm,
Your lordship will pay 66,
Yes.
3 p.m. And as per lordship, criminal rules and order, Gauhati High Court rules, lordship, that office working hour is 4 p.m. lordship. And if they work beyond that 4 hour, that reason has to be recorded.
the moment you say police will not work beyond,
No, police can work, police can work. The court lordship, if produced after 5 p.m.
4
lordship,
p.m.
After 5 p.m. if lordship that this present petitioner was produced,
Hmm.
there has to be reasoning lordship after 5 p.m.
No, this is 3
That-
p.m. on
3 p.m.
1810.
So that copy has to
So
be given
that
prior to-
production can be any time before 3 p.m. on 1910.
No, if it is
24
before-
hours.
Before 2 hours of production, that copy has to be served to the.
So 1910, on
Hmm.
1910, you were arrested on 1810.
1810.
Huh.
1810 produced, lordship.
Date and time of arrest is 1810. What are you
Yes.
saying?
Forwarding report is dated 1810/25, page 21, your lordship will find.
Hmm. No, those things will not come in on the bail if they have been produced in the night or in the morning. If he has been produced within 24 hours, when we let that half an hour not pass, we will take
No,
anything
the
within
grounds
24 hours to be a
has
proper production.
given prior to 2 hours of production. That is what I am placing to lord.
And what if he is arrested and produced within 1 hour? He has to go back in time.
No. The grounds of arrest.
Tell us also, you are telling us of a situation.
Okay.
We are asking you of another situation. There will be impossibilities in the order. Once you try to read a particular order technically,
Okay.
it has to be 2 hours. A man is arrested immediately on the gate of the magistrate's court, immediately dragged inside and produced, arrested, produced. Where do I get the 2 hours from now?
Then the.
I will not have the 2 hours.
Then next day, that accused has to be produced, lordship.
It is the first time he has been already produced. Within 10 minutes he has been produced. Then what happens? 2 hours goes. Family was not intimated, impossible act. Therefore you release him. Can that be?
That's
So
what
that timing you forget it. When we talk of a particular violation, show us how the violation has actually affected you. Simple technical term will not help you. You have to show us why it affected you. How did it affect you? How soon were you produced? Were you given a judicial custody or a police custody?
that I have.
Huh? The remand, what kind of a remand? If you have been taken into judicial remand, no problem. Police could not have done anything wrong with you. You are in judicial custody now.
That I have to
Is it not?
verify. The
So
police
that part,
custody also.
that part
That-
you have
that
to
I-
see. Simple technicalities may not keep working. You have to improvise. Keep sharpening the sword. Huh? So what do you say today?
Lordship has fixed a date, he will also go to, I will also go.
When?
to.
Tell us.
Any date, lordship.
We'll try on, 11 to 15, it is not possible. Either it is 8 or it is
7
19.
or 8, Lordship, can
Huh?
it 7 or 8 if you know.
We'll be having division bench. If time permits, will happen then. Otherwise, it will go before someone else. Yes. List again on the 7th of. Huh? Not 7th of radio. Here to say it, get a 1/5. That's right. Oh. The key. হ'ব এইটো লাক এণ্ড চান্সৰ কথা বেলেগ বেঞ্চত যাব নহ'লে মোৰ তাত আহিলে মোৰ তাত চাম আৰু যিমান দেৰি পাওঁ মনুষ্যহে নেক্সট অকল মোৰ ইচ্ছা নহ'ব নহয় ভাগ্য লাগিব Yes.
CD not received, my lord.
Huh?
This is a DRI case.
Hmm.
Gold has been seized for.
I have also gone through the case diaries. What is written? You are supposed to appear before the IO. Have you appeared?
We are compliant.
The heard Mr. So-and-so under counsel appearing for the petitioner, also heard Madam So-and-so under counsel. Your name?
8th of the Lordship, appearing on behalf of you, Pandey.
Okay, and Madam?
PS Chakravarti for DRI.
Learned Standing Counsel appearing for the DRI, full stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the petitioner has appeared before the investigating officer consequent to the liberty granted to him. The learned counsel for the DRI has prayed for some time to produce the updated case diary before this court. List again on?
Next week, my lord, he needed
Lordship, 2 weeks, next week and.
Why?
2 weeks, after 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks, Lordship.
You've already appeared.
Yes, Lord.
Please tell us, after 2 weeks, what is the date? Give us a date.
19 maybe.
19th of May 2026, along with the updated case diary.
Lordship, my interim may be extended.
The interim early protection granted earlier continues.
Deeply obliged.
Lordship, before my lordship, lordship, this petition is not maintainable, lordship.
Why?
Because AB is there and lordship, 65(2) is there.
Hmm?
And as per BNSS lordship, A 482,
Hmm.
4, it has been stated that, may I read lordship? Nothing in this section shall apply to any case
Hmm.
involving the arrest of, this is involving the arrest of any person on accusation of having committed an offense under section 65 and subsection 2 of section 70 lordship. And this comes under this lordship.
My lord, whether CD reveals, my lord, the action of my lord,
Is the CD available?
CD is there lordship.
Wilshire has been there, my lord, because the case is that, my lord, the informant's husband and the owner, my owner was the own brother.
Hmm?
I am the cousin.
Hmm.
And the owner, he has removed his younger brother, and there I have been placed as the
No,
manager.
I did not understand. You accused and?
Accused and the owner is a cousin.
Hmm.
In place, my place, I was working as a manager. In my place, the owner's own brother was there.
Hmm.
He have been removed.
Hmm.
That's why, my lord, the instant affair has been lost. I have made a categorical statement,
Hmm.
and it is a broad daylight, my lord. There is another 20 to 30% are working together. The question of bringing and touching, my lord, does not arise. That's why, my lord, lordship will see there is any independent witness or not, my lord, incorporating the offense. If 65 is there, my lord, the question of medical report will come.
Huh?
If
No, it is touched. No medical report. If it has been done cleverly, it has been done very cleverly. And if it is the truth, nothing to say.
Also will see from the TCR, my lord, whether any independent witnesses from the working place.
Hmm. How can you expect eyewitnesses? It will be,
No, my lord.
if
there
there had been
may-
eyewitnesses,
if
the
that
FIR
time
would have
was
been
not
otherwise.
The daytime,
Huh?
not evening time, not in the.
1:30 lunch hour, huh?
Lunch hour.
Huh.
And Employees are working, my lord,
Lunch
in
hour,
the
no one is.
private company.
Yes,
my
what does your CD say?
Oh, Lordship, firstly, I.
First say about the maintainability. If there are allegations of this sort,
Lordship.
then
If
what
it
happens?
does
And
not
age
have
is
fire-
also, age is also
Huh?
8 years, Lordship.
Huh?
Age is also 8 years. The victim girl is 8 years of age. It is
Hmm.
clearly stated in 65, Lordship. Whoever commits rape on a woman under 16 years of age.
Rape.
Rape,
The
Lordship.
FIR allegations doesn't say. so.
But in the rape, it is not only, Lordship, penetration is not needed in case of rape. The definition is there. And moreover, if I look into the Lordship, her statement, it clearly reflects. Lordship may kindly look into that.
This is a truck driver, lordship.
Huh?
The allegation is lordship, the picture transport. 19 was cows with pathetic condition, lordship, the allegation, lordship. The FIR case, it was called for. In para 3, lordship, in FIR.
Hmm. Documents mismatch.
No, lordship.
You are for the truck or the Tiago? Hmm?
Yeah, I am not a Tiago, lordship, I am not.
A CD received?
CD we have received.
Ashok Leyland truck, lordship.
You are for the truck?
Truck, lordship.
Truck driver or owner?
Driver.
Yes, why the false papers?
No, lordship. No position, lordship.
Huh?
Tiago says another, whatever lordship, on the way lordship is near the track come from West Bengal lordship.
You had a
Their
permit for?
normally accident was occur lordship,
Huh? Huh.
with that vehicle lordship.
Yes.
That's not false testimony, the seizure list is there lordship, in the FIR it's also mentioned lordship.
No, we are not saying that. We are saying there were how many cattle?
19 lordship,
19.
yes lord.
And you are carrying permit to carry 450 cattle.
No, lordship, no, lordship.
In
Yes,
what?
These are not lordship.
Huh?
450 and not lordship.
How will you
Come in
carry
the-
450
Can
cattle?
come the FIR lordship, para number 3 lordship.
Huh?
Second line lordship in pair number 3, 13 cows and 6 calves lordship. Now, this is the cows lordship,
Hmm.
not 400 lordship. And seizure list also there
And
lordship.
this vehicle number is also different.
Lordship, whatever lordship, originally the.
Anticipatory bill.
Yes,
bill.
lordship.
Huh? What does it?
His wife is the owner of the vehicle and he was driving he was driving that vehicle lordship.
Huh?
And that lordship that for carrying those cattle lordship permit is required. And for the permit was in the name against a vehicle A01 like that lordship. And he was carrying, that means he was carrying those vehicles in such a pathetic condition without having any valid permit, valid transportation permit. So this is the main issue lordship.
Lordship, I have made the statement lordship in para number 4.
Have you stated that your wife is the owner of the vehicle?
Yes.
You
that is-
stated where?
Yes, lord, in para number 2 lordship.
And then why were you using fake papers?
No, lordship, I have made the statement in para number 4 lordship.
Ah.
Whatever lordship,
Ah.
actually the vehicle, the permit was in AS01 27779 lordship. That vehicle comes from Bihar lordship. Whatever the lordship, when they reached the Darjeeling lordship, the vehicle was disturbed lordship. Subsequently hired my petitioner vehicle lordship. That is why lordship, the permit was originally TC 2779 vehicle lordship, not from the petitioner vehicle.
And why he was carrying that permit lordship?
Because
Suppose once if that may be lordship, but permit may be in other vehicles. But why he was carrying that vehicle permit lordship?
the vehicle was parking lordship and the pathetic condition lordship, house is there lordship.
How many how many have been
19
arrested?
lordship.
How many have been arrested?
3 persons were
Any
arrested,
arrest?
at that time lordship.
3 lordship subsequently.
Where were you at that time of arrest?
If
Where
they
were
were
you?
lordship.
Lordship, after occurred action lordship, when the public gathered, then we
Public,
how he-
public not get a lordship because it was at the night.
At night lordship.
Public not get a
No
lordship.
public.
In the highway lordship.
Highway lordship, public normally not get a lordship.
So lordship, how can,
Using fake documents,
no lordship.
carrying cattle.
No, lordship.
Huh?
That's to without violating the.
Personal lordship, there is in FR last line lordship, last two line lordship, the cows are purchased by one Abbas irrigation lordship. Document is their lordship. Look, the cows being from lordship, Samastipur Bihar lordship. Subsequently, the petitioner vehicle was lordship. That is a permitted not. That is admitted lordship. We have shown the 90 cows was part in the road lordship in peril condition.
And those people who gave you those 19 cattle, they gave it to you without accompanying the cattle.
No, lordship, 3% was there.
All are from Dorong, and Dorong.
No, actually,
Why did they give you 19 cattle and vanish?
no, lordship.
Someone will accompany you, one of them.
3% was there, lordship.
They were all from Dorong. Cattle is from Bihar, via West Bengal.
Lordship, purchased from another person, lordship. Purchased by lordship, one Abbas is a lordship.
Who, Abbas, who?
He purchased lordship.
Who is this Abbas?
There's the
We are
house
trying
purchase
to see if we can.
Purchase are lordship. Mention is there. Everything is
Even
there,
they
lordship.
could not produce any documents, lordship. They could not find any valid purchasing
No,
documents.
in FR last two lines, lordship. Seller consistency, lordship. The permit lists the seller as is some Mithilesh Roy from Samastipur, Bihar. However, the sales purchase receipt shows
That is the permit.
multiple different seller
That
lordship.
is the permit for which only the Assam A01 cattle is carrying on lordship. But where this permit, lordship? That is for that permit.
That is admit,
that
lordship.
is a
The
permit.
petitioner vehicle has no permit. That is admit, lordship. For carrying these cattle, lordship. Otherwise, he has permit for run, lordship.
Lordship,
Right, lordship.
one thing, lordship, I would like to point out, lordship. Persons who went there to purchase those cattle, they are also in the vehicle.
Purchaser was
Suppose,
there.
but they do not have that valid documents, lordship, that they have purchased it. Purchasing the documents receipt, they do not have, lordship.
No, thing is, he
No, no,
tried
purchase document is lost.
to make false documents is what is hurting us. Not the carrying of cattle. You are not being able to stop carrying cattle anymore.
What document is not
Everybody
there?
is carrying cattle, is it not? Every 2 days we are getting so many cases. But production of fake license, fake permits and fake things, it is going to too big an issue.
No, lordship.
This business
The
is very-
vehicle was in a permit for another vehicle, lordship.
No.
That I admitted, the petitioner has, vehicle has not
See,
permit.
sir,
That I admitted, lordship.
now we will tell you the merits of your arguments. Okay? Just have the patience to listen to us. Evidence of forgery and criminal conspiracy. Upon interrogation, accused produced a set of documents claiming they were permit in name of Abbas Irishan Ahmed, Dispur, Gauhati, right?
Against them.
That is the document you had produced.
No, I have not.
Who produced them?
They produced it, lordship.
Who they?
Documents with them, 3%
With whom?
arrested, lordship, on the spot.
Now these 3 persons arrested are just above that line. Kindly read from where are they?
They produced.
From where are
documents, lordship. They produced, they were.
Who are they? From where?
They were with the vehicle, lordship, because Abbas.
So they are, just listen to us. They are Dorong and Nolbari. Is it? One person from Dispur buys it.
He purchased.
3 persons from Dorong and Nolbari accompany the vehicle. Yes?
They are the level. Yes.
You are given the cattle from a West Bengal
To Gauhati.
vehicle.
Yes, yes.
Why would a man from Dispur buy cattle from Bihar and West Bengal, keeping people from Dorong, and you believing that the cattle has come from Bihar?
No,
Is there any connection in this?
There is also mention, they have this mention, lordship. So much to
Mr.
mention,
Sullivan
lordship.
Council.
In FIR mention, document says, lordship. Document says
Huh?
cattle purchase from Bihar, lordship. There's mention in FIR, lordship. And Sijal is also there, lordship. Sijal is also there, lordship.
No, whether those
And
documents,
these are all fake. That is what they,
No, lordship.
whether those,
These are fake, lordship.
Heard, Mr.
Jay Ahmed, lordship.
And
In FIR, it's
Constitutional
mentioned, lordship, that
Petitioner also
it
heard,
was passed from Bihar. lordship.
also heard the learned APP. The case diary has been produced. The case diary reveals that along with suspicion of carrying illegal cattle in an illegal
There
cattle.
was document for purchase cattle.
No, we'll take that illegal cattle in pathetic overcrowded condition with no provision of food, water, adequate space, etc. The allegations are also that fake documents like permit to transport the cattle, the fake purchase receipts, etc. have been seized from the persons arrested who were accompanying the cattle. The petitioner appears to be the driver of the vehicle. Full stop.
And also he is the husband of the
Upon
owner.
perusal of the case diary, this court is of the opinion that the prayer for pre-arrest bail of the petitioner at this stage cannot be considered. Accordingly, the same is rejected at this stage.
Not 16-year-old girl, 19-year-old boy.
Huh?
That is the whole case, my lord. They were
If
in
the
a group.
16-year-old girl says that there is no Leela, then what do we do?
The affidavit has come up, my lord, which says that there was some mistake of fact. They were in a room, my lord. Nothing
Yes.
adverse has come up, my lord.
You are appearing for? What? His release on bail is not going to put your client to risk. What do you say?
I don't know, 183 statement, madam.
Huh? 180?
183, madam.
Huh?
Of the victim, madam.
What does it say? Mistake, no mistake.
Implication is there.
My name is, they write down the name and then in brackets say XYZ. Where is the affidavit? Huh?
Paragraph 2. Because of such confusion, it was filed after 3 days of the occurrence.
Because of what confusion?
Because
They were in a room, my lord. That was because of all the dispute arose, my lord.
The 183 statement
My lord, that's if I can understand.
goes a
that.
far beyond that simply being present in the room. How that part can be a misconception?
No, my lord, 183, the girl, because of the tender age, my lord. That statement that has been reflected in paragraph 3, my lord. Paragraph 4, my lord. That a statement, daughter is implicated, accused in a statement recorded on 118, 183 remains out of fear. However, with the passage of time. Out of fear, lord. Police are there, everything are there, my lord. It's statement.
Yes, heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, also heard Mr. Boisha learned APP in the matter. Mr. Dhar appears for the, Mr. A. Dhar appears for the informant. Respondent number 2 / informant. The learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that the FIR was filed out of a misconception. And therefore, the provisions of the POCSO Act as reflected in the FIR would not be attracted in this case. The learned APP has produced the case diary. Full stop. The learned counsel appearing for the respondent number 2 / informant has submitted that an affidavit has been filed clarifying the position that due to a misconception, the FIR had been lodged. The affidavit also states that the alleged victim had made statements before the police out of fear, and in any case, they would not have any evidentiary value. Full stop. keeping in view the circumstances of the case and the submission of the learned counsel for the informant that the release, that the grant of a pre-arrest bail to the petitioner would not cause any threat to either the victim or the informant, comma, this court is of the opinion that the petitioner can be granted the privilege of a pre-arrest bail. Accordingly, it is directed that the petitioner shall be released on bail on furnishing a bond of rupees 10,000 with 2 sureties of the like amount, subject to the satisfaction of the investigating authority, comma, who shall be at liberty to impose such other conditions as may be necessary upon the petitioner to ensure his participation in the investigation, full stop. A be disposed of. No, yes, counsel. Petitioner to appear before the investigating authority on or before the 15th of May, 2026.
Very clear, sir. Not as per lawsuit's direction, my lord, I am participating in the investigation. My lord. So, my lord, I have appeared before the.
So that where it was found in some rented premises,
My
you
lord,
are one of the
bathroom
tenants.
of the rented premises.
Yes.
Yes, my lord, he appeared, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord, and my his statement recorded in the statement, my lord, there one note is there that my lord, police my lord found after my lord his interrogation that my lord is involved in this matter for long time. Otherwise, he appeared, my lord. It is
but-
6 kg and my lord 476
It was
gram.
recovered from 2 other persons who had taken his
My
name
lord, my lord.
and
And
said
he-
that he had allowed them to keep
Yes,
there.
Yes, my
Is it not?
yes, my lord. And that is going on from my lord, that is a long period.
So we'll make this absolute.
My,
Ask him to keep appearing before you as and when necessary.
my,
My
my,
lord.
And his further continuance of bail at the stage of trial,
my,
if
my,
if he is put up for trial, would be for the trial court to see
My lord.
at that stage, huh? Heard Mr. TKB and counsel for the petitioner, also heard the learned APP, Mr. K. Bosho, who has submitted that the petitioner has appeared after the liberty had been granted to the petitioner by this court, and his statement has been recorded, full stop. In view of the circumstances reflected in the case diary, comma, where the recovery had not been made in the presence or from the person of the petitioner, and he has already appeared to participate in the investigation, comma, the interim bail granted on 24/2026 to the petitioner is hereby made absolute, comma, subject to the condition that the petitioner shall keep appearing and cooperating in the investigation as and when required by the investigating authority, full stop. In the case of any violation, this, the interim, the bail granted to the petitioner shall be liable to be recalled, full stop. It is made clear that this bail has been granted during the period of investigation and during the period of investigation only, full stop.
Take it up, my lord.
13 and 14.
and 14 my lord, CD not received, my lord.
Yes, your lordship, item number 14 may be taken.
None of the CDs received. There are 2 matters together, sir.
Same affair, and your lordship may kindly produce order dated 22/4, your lordship.
22/4/2026. Yes, there are 2 matters.
On-
In none. There will be 1 CD only, sir.
My lord, yes, my lord, it is
Not come.
with my lord.
Huh?
Pohihat, my lord.
It has not come.
My lord, it's not come, my lord.
Kindly produce order.
This is
dated
AB. What were the allegations?
Page number 10, your lordship.
And
already
why
six-
2 FIRs?
Same affair, your lordship, same affair.
No, why 2 cases?
One is an anticipatory bail and one is a bail application.
One is inside, one is outside.
One is outside, your lordship, kindly come to page number 10 of item number 14, your lordship. Already 66 days behind the bar, your lordship. Page number 10.
Page number,
My lord, the one, my lord, that is, my lord, there's a WT message, my lord, we have received, my lord. As per that, my lord, it is also called by, my lord, in the, my lord, that is, additional session, that's number 3, Nogao, my lord. And because of that, my lord, that is lying there, my lord, they are not able to, my lord, send the city, my lord, so bring for time.
Your lordship, that was on 29th of
29/4, my lord.
March. Thereafter 30, the matter was listed. And again,
April, entire
29/4,
April has gone.
your lordship.
Entire April has gone.
My lord, 29/4, there's 29th of
This
April.
WT is
Yeah.
29/4, 29
4,
April.
yes. Yes, ma'am.
4 days down the line, 6 days.
Indeed, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, earlier it was mentioned that by 30th, the city must be here as he has prolonged detention. Your Lordship had made the order, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
Thereafter on 30, the matter was listed, but in a
No,
different.
this fact was not in our knowledge, no? That this,
Your Lordship may kindly read the FIR once, Your Lordship, in page number 40.
that some persons when there was
Now,
the
we are not
assault
denying.
and one of the person died.
Yes, we are not denying that I was not present at the spot. I was at the spot, but there is a land dispute between two different parties, Your Lordship. I am
Understood.
neither the owner of either of the lands. My crops are standing on the land. I am a cultivator, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
And when the other parties lodged FIRs against each other, they included 10 people together. Out of this, my name was included. When police came for searching for me, I appeared because I know that I was not guilty in any case. I was arrested and 66 days behind the bars, Your Lordship.
Yes,
If
tell
I would
us
have
this.
been an owner of the land of either parties, then
Yes, this person who is behind bars.
is not associated with the land, Your Lordship.
When was he arrested?
Your Lordship, arrest 28th of uh, 28th of February, Your Lordship. And our most important contention is that, Your Lordship, we are not the property owner, Your Lordship. We do not have any interest so that we can raise our hands or any weapons against anybody. Your
No, if your crops are standing there,
Only
a
as a
lot of people are fighting there. Someone would be damaging the crops
I was there.
and you would be stopping him.
I was separating the quarrel, and
yeah.
I'm willing to give my statement before the police. That is why when the
No,
police
you are,
was there, I appeared.
you appeared, you self appeared.
I did not appear selfly, but the police came searching. I willingly appeared before the police. I thought they came to record my statement. I got arrested in a different manner.
You did not go to the police station,
not
but
go to
when
the
they were
police station.
investigating, you appeared before them.
When the police came
Yes,
searching
but
for
this-
me, I appeared.
Why his prolonged this thing would be necessary?
I was not hiding from the police. Your Lordship. That is what I tried to.
Hmm? Where is that 47 notice? Nothing here.
In the forwarding, there is no mention about 47 and 48. So we did not raise that contention.
16/3, March, April, May, yes.
Kindly repeat without interruption.
Around 45 days in custody.
66 days.
Huh?
6 days in custody.
When? Give us the shortest possible time.
Short accommodation, my lord.
When? Shortest possible time.
My lord, I'll make-
Or at least have your instructions
My lord.
as to why the continued custody of item 14 is required.
My lord.
Continued custody of item 14, why is it required?
Right.
This item 15, is it
13
15?
and 14
13, item 13 is a AB.
events.
That is a different issue.
My lord.
You might require him. But one man you have already had behind bars for,
My lord. 28/2, my lord.
yes? So now if you have not asked for his police custody any further,
My lord.
he must have made his statements by now in 45 days.
My lord.
I was there, this is the man with me, this is the man with the dao. Is it not?
Yes, my lord.
Keeping him behind bars, what kind of a hampering of the investigation can he do now? Tell us that. Huh? Eight.
Sort of 8, my lord.
8?
Eight.
8th of May.
8
Sir?
of May. 8.
8th of
8th of May.
deep level.
Place this matter as again on the 8th of May, allowing the learned APP to invariably have the case diary
My lord.
produced. তাৰপিছত কেইটা আছে? এইকেইটা হেৰি আছে ন? We will have it on the 22nd. 22nd of this month. Because now even if you take up the dictation, it will not be completed, you can even have done. Hearing was almost, hearing was completed almost. আজি এইটো কিহৰ কাৰণে আহিছিলে? হেৰি মতে লিষ্টত this matters again on 22nd of May 2026 orders. Okay, thank you.